How's it going, guys? We're back. My name is Matt with JDM SSRC, and today we're back for a new video and a new car. My girlfriend got me a car for my birthday. No, this isn't it. She couldn't help herself. She said our dogs needed an upgrade, so new Rustler day. We're gonna get into it, unbox it, and just get right into driving. We're already here at the location. Got this beautiful parking lot behind us and the big open field to rip some top speed runs. Should be fun. But that's enough of that. Let's get right into it. I am excited. So we have already have a older Rustler for our dogs. New remote, different than the last ones. We have the brushed 2-wheel drive Rustler for our dogs, but Serenity said they need to upgrade because Ash makes easy work of catching up to it. You guys have seen Ash on the channel before. She's our blue heeler or Australian cattle dog, whatever you want to call them. Same difference. Man, this body looks amazing. So Ash is our, like I was saying, blue heeler or Australian cattle dog. She's a herding dog, but we don't have no cattle or animals to herd, so we let her chase the RC cars, and she likes to chase them, bite at the tires, and yell at it, trying to tell it where to go. And the old Rustler just wasn't fast enough for her no more. She was catching up to it, and it was getting old anyway, so it was about time for an upgrade. So we got the new Rustler 2-wheel drive. Come a little closer, give them a closer look. Look at the body. Went with the all black because who doesn't like an all black paint scheme? And it's got their clipless body where you got 2 tabs in the front, 1 in the back, pops on and off. Check out that new chassis design. It's got the carbon fiber print in there. New battery tab, that's pretty neat. Now we won't lose the clips as much. I actually like that a lot. It's got the new brushless system in it. Comes with the fan on the ESC and then the built-in fan on the motor. Hearing a lot of mixed reviews on whether people think it's going to last or not being an open motor. I think it'll do just fine because, I mean, the brushless motors are all open for cooling and they last forever. I think the motor will do just fine. And with that being said, this car is rated to do 60 plus. Our last Rustler that we had for our dogs is rated to do 30 because it was the brushed motor. So today, I don't have a GPS to track the speed or one of those Sky RC things, but we're definitely gonna just rip it up and down the parking lot a bit here. Got more than enough space. We should be able to do top speed on it, see how quick it is, and we'll probably play with it in the grass for a little bit, see if it overheats, because I know that was a big upgrade reason to why they did the motors the way they did, is to help with them overheating. But that being said, we'll get a battery in it and we'll get right back to it. Another thing I forgot to mention is the new steering servos in these are all metal gears now, and I don't know if they changed the motors in them too, but I feel like it's got a lot more power than they used to. But right now we got the 2S LiPo in it, so let's get right into it. Oh, wow. Way peppier than the other one we have. Whoa. I was not ready for that. Oh man, this thing's got plenty of power. I don't think Ash is gonna have a chance catching it now. And mind you, this is only on 2S. We still have bigger battery to go. Man, this thing actually handles really good. These new tires, here, I'll bring it back to show off the tires again. These new front tires and rear tires are definitely an upgrade over the old pin tires that used to come with them. I like these rear tires a lot. They grip really good on here. Man, if this thing's doing wheelies like this on 2S, I can only imagine on 3S. It's going to be a challenge to keep that front end down. All right, we have the lovely Miss Serenity. I'm gonna give it a try.
I can get a little crazy, so watch out.
Yeah, that's why I'm standing behind you. Serenity's even more trigger happy than me.
I almost flipped it.
I don't think almost, I think you did. You want to take it out to the field?
Sure.
So what's your initial thoughts on it?
It's pretty cool.
That's it, just cool, not fast.
I'm excited to see Ash chase this.
Now the grass is a little bit taller over here, so we'll see how it does. I definitely think that this one is way quieter.
Yeah,
Don't
I
you?
can't even hear it over there.
Someone's doing the walk of shame.
No, you're getting it.
What? You flipped it. All right. So to pop the body off, you go under these front fenders here. There's going to be two little tabs, not lattice tabs like I just said. But right there, you just pop them. And then one in the back right here in the center, you just pop it back. Comes off so nice and easy. And for the battery, just got this little tab pushed down. Battery comes out. New battery goes in. 3S battery in. Let's see this. Oh man. That is a big difference. Holy cow. Yeah, 3S makes a big difference. Literally does not want to keep the front tires down. Ease into it. Jeez. Yeah, I definitely see this thing doing 60. And this thing just wants to wheelie no matter what. I'm actually trying not to wheelie too, is the crazy thing. I'm very happy that a lot of these cars, when you get going that fast and they wheelie, the bodies parachute really bad and they'll cause them to flip. But luckily, this one is not doing that, which is super nice. Woo! That one definitely put a good scratch in there. Let's see, what's the damage? No, the pretty body. That's all right, the dogs will do worse to it.
First scratch. What's your prize?
A new body. This little rock pile right here. You want to try it, Serenity, or should we just take it right to the grass?
I think we should take it to the grass.
I don't think we're really going to be able to hit full throttle in the grass because typically in the grass they like to wheel even more. Yeah, this new brushless system, I know I keep saying it, but it is definitely so much quieter. Which I really didn't think would be possible because brushless systems already are quiet. I will say in this field, 3S is almost pointless because I'm barely getting past half throttle without picking the wheels up and then the thing going crazy. But it's nice to still have that option, especially if you're in the parking lot like we just were. Whoa. Another thing too is these shocks on here. I don't think I mentioned these. I'm going back and forth a bit. The shocks on here are the new upgraded GTR shocks, but these ones are plastic bodied. But they seem to be handling really well on these bumps and jumps out here in this grass. Oh yeah, that motor's still cool. That's actually surprising. Very impressed with that. Another thing, just like almost all Traxxas models anymore, is this has the gyro feature on the remote, which normally I leave it turned down, but for today's video, I didn't feel like messing with that stuff. I just wanted to drive. All right, guys, so Serenity wanted to bring her Rustler out and do a little race. Hers is the four-wheel drive, brushless. I will say, putting her body on with the old style clipless body compared to the new one where you just set it on and just done. That body is nice. I like that setup. Super quick and easy compared to her style. Literally just push it on, make sure all your clips are done. This one, I don't know if it's just me or maybe if it's just the Rustler four-wheel drive thing. I have always struggled getting this on, but
It's
that's
still
enough.
not on.
No, it's on.
No, look at this side.
What do you mean? Oh. But this is her Rustler four-wheel drive. You guys have seen it on the channel before. And yes, we did finally get her new tires. Ready? I'll let you count down or whatever. They're both on 2S, by the way. Serenity's is the old VXL3. Mine is the new VX3. Two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive. Old versus new.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, mine got out quick on you. All right, you want to turn around somewhere down here?
Whoa. Hey, you didn't wait for me.
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to wait. Can't believe how quickly mine... You got me on the jump being that you're four-wheel drive, but in the long run, I walked you.
Yeah, I was gonna say that I felt like I was like out there faster. And
Yeah.
then all of a sudden you just catched up to me. All right, do we start here or a little further back?
Sure, let's just start here and do it again.
Okay.
I'll let
ready?
you count down again. I'll give you the jump too.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. I'm around you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Ready?
All right, you ready?
3,
I have no clue if we're even close to being lined up, but it's whatever.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yours does better donuts than mine. Because
Yeah,
when I pick the front end up, I just lose all steering.
I don't know if you noticed in my the last time I was driving with your car, well, the new car, I was trying to do donuts, but it wasn't
Yeah.
working.
Car into a donut. Oh my gosh. Totally thought you were taking the camera out.
No, you almost took the camera out. That was really close. Hey!
Guys, thanks for watching the unboxing and the running of the new Traxxas Rustler 2-wheel drive. Thank you for breaking out your Rustler 4-wheel drive and being a part of the video. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We might drop a clip at the end of the video of Ash chasing around her new toy. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Of course, the parents had to play with the new toy.
Of course. Thank you, guys.
Ready? Go, guys, go, go, go. Get it, get it, get it. Ash, come on.
So if you guys can't tell, Ash is trying to herd it to keep it away from her. I wonder if she'll chase it for a fly ball.
No.
Z
Look at these.
will. Oh no.